beautiful, bright, fresh morning. So I'm on a road trip at the moment. I didn't explain this the other day. I'm going to attempt to do 6 distilleries in 3 days. Yesterday we were at the Lakes Distillery on the way up, and I've woken up at the Ninefold Rum Distillery. So I'm just going to do a quick little run around inside and remind us of the fantastic Ninefold. It's locked. I'm here with SHAUN, distiller SHAUN of various distilling fame, and Richard Nicholson of New Zealand Rum Society fame. Kit Carruthers!
Woohoo! With my cat treats.
Of Ninefold Rum fame, of course, because we are at the Ninefold Rum Distillery. This is Watson, the Ninefold Distillery legend. Stayed here last night, had a fantastic evening. In fact, Kit even opened up some casks for us. It was kind of like a midnight raid of his own barrel warehouse, which was absolutely stunning. So we finally made it inside. Let me show you around. Molasses in here, there's 1,000 litres in there. This is a 1,400 litre fermentation tank. And in here, obviously, the molasses gets diluted with water, yeast is added, and possibly some nutrients as well. That ferments over the course of 3 days. It then gets piped into this 500 litre beautiful copper pot still. But of course, that's a third of the size of the fermentation vessel. So he has to do 3 stripping runs. Takes it over here, heats it up, condenses it, catches the distillate in this container here. Once he's done his 3 stripping runs, he'll put it all back in the pot. So he's taken it from about 10% to about 35–40%. He then puts that into the pot and he's got a full pot again and he goes again. This time, the second run, the spirit run, will go through the column and he's got a deflagmator at the top here, which is condensing it. It gets it going round and round and round and starts filling up all of these chambers in this column, getting a beautiful clean spirit, so that when he's finally ready, he can then turn off the deflagmator, which is basically lots of cold water going around in there, keeps the steam going back and forth in here. He can then condense it off and collect it as his final spirit. He'll then maybe go into one of these containers, in which he'll either then blend it for his spiced rum, bottle it, or throw it into a barrel to age in his warehouse. Fantastic operation, fantastic liquid. If you haven't tried the Ninefold liquid, super easy, go on his website, I'll leave a link in the bottom below. Beautiful little distillery, this is it. And this is right on his home, on his family estate. Beautiful distillery run by Kit Carruthers, and couldn't recommend it highly enough. All right, back on the road, and we are next off to the Annandale Distillery, where they're making fantastic whiskey, I believe. Never tasted it, let's go see what they got going on. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Whoa! Going mad in there. Oh! You smell that?